Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to control your iPhone 16 Pro Max with eyes. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and now you see the option accessibility. Click on accessibility and after that in physical and motor section you can see the option eye tracking. Click on eye tracking and if you want to control your iPhone then simply turn this button on and now your iPhone will be work with your eyes. If you want to stop control your iPhone with eyes then simply turn this button off. So this is the way to control your iPhone with eyes. Thanks for watching this video.